Okay everyone, this is a 1989 one-ton Chevy. Over $20,000 invested. You can see it's got new bumpers, it's got new everything. And special sparkly paint. High dollar, house of color, custom paint. And as you can see, it's straight as an arrow, just beautiful. Never seen a Michigan winter. It's absolutely a beautiful truck. And I'm going to do a walk around here on it just to show you how gorgeous it is. New tires, new everything. The frame is all beautiful, clean, painted. Inside, new bucket seats. The doors are perfect. Rockers perfect. The bed is all sprayed with bed liner. New rear bumper. Like I said, new paint. And this was done 4 years ago, and it still looks great. Updated to the newer type emblems. Diamond plate everywhere. Beautiful tires, brakes. Rebuilt transmission. My friend owns a body shop and he did this to keep forever, but now he's changed to a different vehicle, so now it's your chance to buy a wonderful piece of machinery here. You'll be the only one around with this beautiful piece. And you can see the caps, even the caps were done with the sparkly stuff, all new caps. It's got lighting on the rocker, but just absolutely gorgeous. It's got a visor. You want this truck. Like I said, over $20,000 invested in just parts and material, and he did all the work himself. And he's a master. Never seen a Michigan winter. Enjoy. Buy this truck.